Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Help, our one-stop platform for tech opportunity, career growth, and community-driven learning. My name is Amit Kumar. I am the founder of Techie Help and also a mentor of GSOC. And today we here with a new most exciting open source opportunity of the year, Code for GovTech C4GT. Imagine contributing to projects supported by Government of India, getting mentorship from industry leaders, and yes, even earning a stipend for your contributions. And if you are a student, a developer, or a tech enthusiast and passionate about building for social goods, you cannot miss these opportunities. In this video, I'll show you how to apply, the types of projects available, and some pro level tips to boost your chance to selection. So please hit that subscribe button and let's jump the right into it without wasting our times. Okay, so this is our official website of Code for GovTech, and here you can explore all these details about the organization, and the program is called DMP 2025. Okay, so now click on this, and this is a dedicated mentorship program 2025. And here you scroll, it's given and details. Here you can see dedicated mentorship program 2025. C4GT has conducted 3 rounds of DMP since 2022, where selected student and working professionals get an opportunity to contribute to critical tech building blocks under the guidance of dedicated mentors. Okay, and they work closely with DGP Builder and adopted organization on problem statement that have a population scale, social impact, and get a stipend of 1 lakh for 3 months. Okay, so here you can explore all the details of DMP, like 103 projects, 42 organization, 2634 proposals, and 103 contributors, and 70 projects, products, 87 mentors, 415 colleges, and 30 companies are there available in this program. Okay, so here you can explore like track under DMP, coding, product visibility, and UI UX, artificial intelligence. And who can participate in DMP? College student, working professional, and tech enthusiast. Okay, and benefits of applying as a contributor to DMP: one by one mentorship and hand-on learning, and career growth and opportunity, create impactful population scales. And here you can see the timeline of DMP 2025. Application is open on 7th April, and on April 21st, second list of project is released, and application closed on 5th of May, and cohort announcement is 15th of May, and coding period start of 1st of June, and the 31st of August coding period is end. Okay, so without ending the deadline, you apply for this. Okay, so become the part of this community, join the Discord channel for upcoming related message. Okay, so here you can see all the details. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's get started. So I give you a link, and come on this. This is listed on Apna. Okay, so code for job GovTech dedicated mentorship program, DMP dedicated mentorship program 2025, and it is a government initiatives. Okay, so the partner is GitHub, organized by Samagra. You can here see all the details, and the registration closed in 22 days, 0 hours, and 15 minutes. And here you see register button. Before you registered, we see the what actually it do. So its description: code for GovTech C4GT in collaboration with Apna bring the dedicated mentorship program an opportunity for technology enthusiasts to work on open source projects that drive a large scale social impact. Participant will collaborate with experienced mentor, contribute digital public goods, DPGS, and open source tech building blocks, and get hand-on experience and solving real-world problems. Successful contributor will be receive a stipend of 1 lakh for 3 months. Why we join for? Okay, what is the benefits. So work on real world open source project, one by one mentorship from industry experts, career opportunity through internship, PPOs and networking, make an impact with meaningful contribution. And most important, how to apply. So registered on Apna. So I give you link on description. You come from this. Okay, so click on registered and now fill the required information. So before this we will see the all information. Okay, so fill out the additional information, choose your track like coding, AI, productivity and UI UX, and you can access all the project here. So click on this project, and here you can see dedicated mentorship program project list, and it's mentioned the tech stack. Here you can see tech stack required. So according to your text, select a project like I am a artificial intelligence. I know artificial intelligence and Python. So I choose Sugar Labs organization. This is organization name, Sugar Labs, and this is a product. So product's name is right activity, and this is a project. So project is add AI assistant to right activity. So basically we make a AI assistance for write a activity, and here you can see it's give a link. Click on this and the details here you can use see description, goals and midpoints. Okay, setup and installment, expected outcome, and here you can see all the details about it, and all the information is given. Okay, so you choose on this. Okay, before submitting a templates, submit your proposal. So it's give a templates, so download it. So this is a official templates of code for GovTech, and this is a requirement to submit your proposal. Like you are a developer and you know about GSOC, Google Summer of Code. So basically it's related to this, and before we contributing any organization, we put our proposal. So it's give a note, dear participant, please make a copy of this doc and delete this instruction, do not request edit access on this doc itself. So we are not request to edit access, we make a copy of this and remove this and fill the all the details and submit our proposals. Okay, so it's clear. Okay, so now join the Discord for important messages, and mandatory is GitHub profile is mandatory, and contribution, participant organization GitHub repositories gives. So here you can see the tech stacks and details, so choose from this. Now it's a give open project. Okay, here you can explore all. Okay, so it's if you are shortlisted, it's take an interview. You may be invited for an interview round or additional statement to vet your skills for the project. Okay, and attend a master class after clear the interview to clear your doubts and gain more insights. Join Discord to attend the weekly community lead master class, and stay tuned for exclusive master class with code for GovTech C4GT team, and take the step in your tech journey and contribute to the project that matters. Okay, you can see eligibility open for college student, working professional and tech enthusiast. Participant must relevant technical skill, remote opportunities, and here you can see, and most important is during the coding phase contribution should be commit minimum of 20 hours per week. And additional information is form is open to 5th of May, and the proposal submission is 9th of April to 5th of May. Proposal submission preference 2 for project 2 core 2. Okay, and its deadline is same, and now proposal submission phase 3 is deadline is same. Interview evaluation, organization may conduct interview assessment at their discretion, or for further evaluation shortlisted candidate will be notified accordingly. And what is the rewards for this? So a stipend and reward: get a stipend of 1 lakh for 3 months while working on an impactful project, career opportunity, one by one mentorships, and here you can see FAQ and more about this. Okay, so it is all important notes about code for GovTech. Now click on register, and here you can fill all the details and register for this. Okay, and this is the most important uh, open source opportunities to boost your GitHub and open source, and it's also boost your resume, and it's make you chance to work with open source organization, and it's give a chance for remote works. So without delay, you make sure you registered and participate in this opportunity. Okay, I hope you understand all the things. If you are doubt, please comment. I try to solve this. Okay, thanks for watching.